proudly present the Festival of the Lion King.
Greetings, everyone. Kabari, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King. Of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume and I'm the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
And this is Kabibi,
which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Sawadi,
which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back up the attitude, mister. Besides, you think I'm the gift, don't you, honey? Yes, you right here. What is your... No, you. Yes. What is your name?
Steven.
Steven. Well, I think that's Swahili for my new best friend.
Everyone, Simba and the gang will be arriving any minute now. We want them to feel welcome when they get here, so we're going to need your help.
And since this is the Animal Kingdom, and we're surrounded by animals, and Simba and the gang are animals, we should greet them like...
animals! So for our beastly pep rally, each of us will help lead one of the 4 animal sections. Let's see, I'll take the elephants.
I'll take giraffes.
I'll take the lions.
And I'll take the warthogs. And Steven, come on up here. You're gonna help me tame this warthog section. Let's give him a hand clap. Alrighty, gang, listen up. Steven is going to help demonstrate the sound that we as fellow warthogs make. Alright, Steven, put your fingers to your face, to your tusks. Yes. Now make a warthog sound. Steven, you need a tissue? You okay? Okay, stay with me. Let's turn around this way. All right, warthogs, tusks up. All right, now on the count of 3, let's hear what you can do. 1, 2, 3. That was the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I love it.
All right, lions, now it's our turn. Here I have Brielle and Tamara from Maryland, and Brielle is gonna show us her best lion imitation. All right, Brielle, pause up, and let's hear it. Do you wanna do it together? All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, ferocious. All right, Brielle, sing with me and Tamara, sing with me. Let's turn around. Lions, you get the idea. Pause up. And on the count of 3, let's hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Lion.
Time for the elephants. This is Jeff from Minnesota. Jeff is our leader. Get your arm up, let's see the trunk. Now, Jeff, let's hear the call. That is an elephant we will never forget. Very well, everyone, arms up. And on the count of 3, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. The mighty Pachyderm.
Okay, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is Riley from Arizona. And Riley's gonna show us what a giraffe sounds like. Okay, giraffe, go.
Yeah, we saw it.
Giraffe, go. Nice! No, I didn't know what a giraffe sounded like either, so I looked it up, and it said a low bleating sound, kind of like a sheep. Okay, wanna go one more time? Giraffe, go. We'll take it! All right, giraffes, next in the air and bleat. And there you have giraffes.
Very well then, now that you know your animal sounds, I think think we're all set. Watch us. We'll make sure you're cued and ready to go.
Hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful, right on time. Now, on the count of 3, let's use those sounds to call them in. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Everyone, listen. It is time. Present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin! I just can't wait to be king.
How you doing? Don't worry, you're all funny. Tim Hopkins here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you can make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, Fred. You'll get your time in the spotlight. I just can't wait to be king.
To be king.
Hello, Pumbaa!
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
And you're looking good. Love you, Pumbaa.
What on
Sweet to tuna to ta 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 ta.
There he is, the mighty pachyderm. Let me hear you trumpets triumphant.
Hi everybody. Hey, whoa, come on. Hey look everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome Simba, you're right on time.
Hey, guys,
off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody, you know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? There they go again. Pumbaa, you ain't seen nothing yet. Direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder. Let's hear it for the Tumble Monkeys. Hey, what are you monkeys doing? Why are you packing up? We're about to do a snappy Songs of the South Seas medley. Hello? Get back here. We're not done yet. We got at least another 3 hours of material left. Now just put all this stuff back and we'll get on with the... Hey, Maestro, what's with the music? Something tells me this ain't the floor show. Ah! Hey, what the? Hey there, big fella. Hey, nice I'm set. So, where you from? Let's get out of
That your powers of retention are as ripped as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lights are not all on upstairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unawares. So prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining new era is tiptoeing nearer. And where do we feature? Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but you'll be rewarded when at last I've given my dues. And injustice deliciously spread. Be prepared. celebration. For when all things exist in balance, it is then we are all connected in the great circle. The circle of life.
Take your life from the planet and bring it step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can never be found. The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's a circle of life, and it moves us up through despair and hope, through pain and love, till we find a place of no
And now, everybody, it's time to kick off our celebration finale.
Sounds great, Simba.
Let's have a party.
Come on, everybody.
Clap and sing along.
Hear you sing. Baby, there's more than a lion sleeping tonight. What kind of sing-along do you call that? Darling, I don't know about your warthogs, but my giraffes were right on cue.
And my elephants didn't seem to have a problem.
Oh, I think we're being challenged. Tell you what, our lions and warthogs against your giraffes and elephants. Your sections will do the Weemo ways, and we'll do the hard part.
And that part would be...
Kabibi, observe.
That's right, our lions and warthogs will sing the high part.
And all our giraffes and elephants will sing the Weema ways.
But who will sing the melody?
Step aside, out of the way, professional artiste coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you finished with all the talking, can we start already?
All right, Timon. Let's take it from the top.
Picture. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
So what do you say? Who won?
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and elephants won.
Hold on there a minute. It's pretty clear, all right? Pretty clear. The lions and the warthogs won.
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish the song. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
I said, hush, my darling. Don't be my darling. My darling sleeps tonight.
standing. Decades of denial is simply wild. Be king undisputed, respected, saluted, and simple wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are good. Be prepared.
Come on, let you go for and sing. Let's hear it in the herd and all the wind. It's gonna be a super awesome thing. Ooh, I just can't wait to be king. Ooh, I just can't wait to be king. Ooh, I just can't wait to be king.
Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you with us. You